Hey there, 7th graders. So I wanted to do another video of the color and data just to show you visually what this next part is all about. I think that some of you will find it helpful who are working remotely. But at this point, you should have a wide variety of different kinds of imagery that you've put together, abstract imagery, just on the graph paper that I gave you. So what we've done is we've colored it in, we've cut it out, and then I layered my shapes onto black paper first, glued it down, and then I glued it down onto different colored paper, colors that worked with some of the marker color that I had used to colorize these pieces. Now your next step is to use the piece of mat board that you should have gotten in your portfolio. And mat board is just a piece of, it's not really a cardboard, but we typically use it when we're framing artwork. So I've used the black side or the dark side, and you can see my piece right here. I've started putting it together, and you can keep moving it around from side to side to see which side that you like. These are only some of my pieces. I've not quite finished adding, but I'm still working. But these are the pieces that I've glued down flat, and I may yet still glue on a few more flat. But I wanted to show you how you could layer some things and kind of bump them up a little bit. Like I've got this piece right here, which I really like, and I was thinking about putting it right here. So a couple things that I'm looking at, I'm really liking the connection of color. I'm liking also a contrast of color as well. So I've got these little foam spacers, we call them 3DOs, and they just pop off the back. Some are a little bit easier to get off than others because sometimes the little sticky part is a little bit challenging. But I'm having some pretty good luck. Oh, I think I spoke too soon on this one. But if you're working at home, there's a couple things you can do because I don't think I gave you a collection of these. You could take some paper and fold it. And then put it on the back and have it kind of come up like a spring. Or if you have any extra cardboard at home or kind of thicker paper that you can put in between, that's a great way to create a piece that looks like a pop-up. So now, although it looks flat to you, if I were to move this a little bit, you can see that there's space in between, and it looks kind of cool. So I just got to make sure that I stick that down. So as you're working on this, think about what pieces you might put where and how you might overlay them to really make a fantastic design. Remember, you're taking your time, you're doing your best work. I'm kind of a stickler when it comes to good craftsmanship. So make sure that you're really thinking about how you're putting these together. If you're working remotely, send me a picture of the finished product, and I can't wait to see what your piece is looking. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know because I definitely will help you out on that. Okay? Have a great day, folks.